Are you trying me now?
If you are not frustrated, you
Are you trying me now?
He's just warning you. It's not like talking. He's warning you.
Mary, are you trying me now? This guy is tempting me. Every day so that she will be crying to me at night because of you. Allow her breathe. Allow her rest.
I don't know that shit come up from my front.
Allow her breathe. Allow her rest. What's your problem, madam? This is no longer funny. You know they're funny again. It's no longer funny. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Victor, wait. Madam, Mary. No, they use me. They do nonsense. Why can't you allow Joy rest? Mary, why can't you allow Joy rest? Since you know she's heavily pregnant, why not allow her rest? Then do you? That's why I said that every blessed day for this house, you will remember me the talk. Why do you just want to come and frustrate my life? What wrong have I done to you?
What wrong have you done to me? How? She been your secretary, have been your grandma sit down for.
Hey, point of correction! Point of correction, no message. My wife. She's having my baby.
Now your grandma asked her the question.
You and your
Madam, respect your mouth. Mary, every day I warn you now. I warn you. Let the whole world be hearing my voice. Let the whole world hear my voice. Point of correction, Joy is not even your mate. Joy is not your mate. So please and please respect her for that. I don't like it. None of my lady is building.
She's the one causing all the calamity.
You can see she's pregnant. It's very obvious. Allow her rest. Or you want to suck the baby out of her womb?
Help me and ask her.
You don't want her to deliver in peace. Madam, asking you that question. You don't want her to deliver in peace.
Answer. Disrespectful human.
Do you want to suck the baby out of her womb? Every day so that she will be crying to me at night because of you. Allow her breathe. Allow her rest.
I don't know that shit come up from my front.
Allow her breathe. Allow her rest. What's your problem, madam? This is no longer funny. You know they're funny again. It's no longer funny. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Allow the young girl breathe. Allow her make she enjoy her husband's house when she deal with.
She's not allowing me to breathe though. Ever since you left, it's one trouble or the another. Ever since you went out, one trouble.
Only say I come out, I no go hear word again. I no go hear word. Please, if I have done you wrong, please, I'm on my knees, I beg you. Allow rest.
So if you will not have peace, as long as I'm concerned. That peace is not written in my dictionary. You will not have it. I don't plan on giving you peace.
I don't tell you. I've told you what I want to tell you. Please. I don't like all this.
I will frustrate.
Now me they get to your WhatsApp.
If you
You
are
will be
not frustrated,
frustrated.
you will not come out.
You and your village.
Are you trying me now?
If you are not frustrated, you will not
Are
come
you
out.
trying me now?
He's just warning you. It's not like talking. He's warning you.
Man, are you trying me now? This guy is tempting me. You want to see the bad side of me. You will regret it. I'm not even sure you go feel see mouth, you go take talk.
Me,
What's
I don't
happened?
know. What is my mouth for? I will talk. Oh baby, king story. I will talk. Me think I didn't want to make my story.
Shall
I
you
will
come that
talk.
put you in trouble?
I will talk.
Okay.
It's not making any sense.
Your mates, after they've agreed divorce already, they will pack their load and leave. But your own na lie. Your own na lie.
At least give me some breathing space. Till the day of the court.
There is no space
Leave.
to breathe. There is no space to breathe.
Leave.
I will leave when I want.
Allow Joy to rest.
I will leave when I want to leave.
Moreover, ever since you got married to you,
I want you to
happiness.
rest.
You are just giving him from one problem to another. Now that I'm in this house and he has been okay.
Since when I married him, so you have been dating before I even married him.
It's none
So
of
how
your
do you
business.
know it's since when I married
Everything
him?
is
Olórí
on
burúkú ni ẹ́.
Yeah.
But wọ́n àárẹ̀ ògbẹ́jẹ́ tó bá yà sẹ́ máa ṣí ẹ̀ náà máa sẹ́ pẹ̀lú kan aṣẹ́wó ẹnìkan tó yẹ kọ́. Àṣẹ ilẹ̀ dọ́ra yín lẹ́yìn.
Kí ló wá kàn yín?
Olórí burúkú.
Kí ìgbà sani?
Ọgbọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀.
I'm a man, no ewu.
Ọ̀dẹ̀.
I'm not here.
Wọ́n lọ sanwó fẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe wedding fún olórí burúkú.
At least
Tó bá
no
lọ
easy.
sábẹ̀. You still say tough now, go abroad, they go recognize you outside. Ọ̀dẹ̀.
You see this one?
Máa sọ̀rọ̀.
See who they talk. Who recognize you?